All right, so I got my little nieces some tickets to go see Nicki Minaj, baby. They are so excited. We're going to be up in Orlando acting a damn fool, and their VIP tickets. So hopefully we get to meet her, grab a titty, grab a boob, something. Y'all know what I mean. She got so happy. She was like, girl, go ahead, put that Pink Friday wax on me. And I'm like, well, it's called Tickled Pink. And yes, I will put it on you because I need the content. So here we are doing her little skinny legs. And the wax looks so beautiful going on. Just pick up a lot of wax when you're doing leg services so you can get them done in a timely manner. And remember that leg sucks up moisture in the wax, so you do have to kind of lay the wax down and usually take it right off. Sometimes if your clients have severe dry skin, you can add a little oil to their skin before actually waxing them. That will help to make sure the strip doesn't break on you. But I had no issues with this wax. As you can see, it did what it's supposed to do. And we even got her toes done because homegirl got some hairy little toes. She seemed to think she don't, but auntie knows best. Okay, let me show y'all. Hold on. That one just had like 2 little hairs on there, but it's the big one. Look at this. Look. I know y'all see them. Finish up with that Pretty Kitty and body oil, and go and grab some of this and the wax. I think the wax is either still 50% off, or you can buy 4 bags and get 1 for free. Either way, it's still a good deal. Visit sexysmoothwax.com and click the link in the bio for the oil. Thanks for watching.